Hi, again, another edition of my vlogs for this morning, Wednesday. I would like to share to you the facilities here in Residencia del Rio Subdivision, Talomo District, Davao City. So, one is the clubhouse. The clubhouse is being called by the residence owner or residential owners, homeowners here. It is a place of meetings for homeowners, for senior citizens, for the young people, and everyone having association related to the subdivision, Residential del Rio subdivision. So let's check inside. It's just an open space. It's not being locked. It's open for everyone. So wide space. It can accommodate, I think, 100 to 200 people here, and there's a meeting that is being held. There are chairs that being put on this area. At the back there is a CR also, and of course rooms for those who are in charge of this clubhouse. Just at the back of this clubhouse is a swimming pool, but for this time I think it's not already functional, but it will be having a makeover soon. I was once experienced having my swimming pool refreshing here. That was years ago. It's really a perfect cool ambiance here with the houses nearby of homeowners. Another facilities of the subdivision aside from the swimming pool, the clubhouse, is this one. They also call this the gym, but I think for me this is covered court in as much as it's not yet totally with all this what we call a gymnasium. This is the place where residents, especially the young people, the YP, will have their exercise, their picture moments, of course their basketball, especially the young people here in the residential subdivision. They are having their recreation. But by now it's school day, Wednesday morning, and no one is here. But usually this is filled with people here having different recreation, exercises, jogging, basketball, and some I have seen also students practicing their performance outputs like drama, the dance number, or whatever school performance that is being required. So this is the center of the subdivision where I am living now in this new community. Nearby, it is also surrounded with different houses, which are all my dream house, especially the red one. I really love that one. Okay, so for now, this is just my shared moments to you, sharing my new life, my new community, my new chosen place wherein I really love this with all the best practices of the people around us. Cleanliness, advocating safety here, of course, peace-loving people. I never experienced that I have my neighbors, I having video here. No, it's a quiet, peaceful place here to live by, and everyone is respected that we need also to sleep on the right time. This is it, my coverage of facilities in Residencia Del Rio Subdivision, Talongo District, Catalunan Tiquinho, Davao City. Thank you, Kamabuhayers, for watching again my another vlog. I am your retired teacher, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Davao City, Residencia Del Rio Subdivision. Until my next vlog, thank you everyone, Kamabuhayers. Mabuhay!